if you've ever come across a website where they actually claim to give you 300 USDT or 500 or 1000, but then you actually have to make a deposit of a certain amount in order for you to be able to start playing a couple of games and completing tasks in order to make money back for yourself and make withdrawals, then all of these websites are basically Ponzi schemes. And I must say that in the past, due to the fact that I had little knowledge of this website and what they actually had the plan to do, I actually even promoted them here on my channel, and most of you guys have actually seen them. But now I actually understand where these are Ponzi schemes, and they actually aim at leveraging on the fact that people are going to really credit a lot of money in the system. They get to pay out a couple of people to build trust, and afterwards they get to close down this particular website. Now this has actually happened to a couple of websites that I've actually seen like this one, and in this particular video today I want to really share with you guys a couple of what the tricks are, and also what you can actually do to keep yourself safe from these websites that actually claim to make you money, but then in the end they make you lose a lot of money. Hi guys, it's Franklin Manuel, and in this channel I actually share with you guys those strategies that will help you to start up and scale your own online business. And here I'm going to be discussing a couple of Ponzi scheme websites, especially due to the fact that most of these websites are currently on the rise, and because they're on the rise, there are going to be a lot of people who are looking at jumping on this website to actually make quick cash for themselves. But then I would actually advise you on a couple of things you need to know before you get started with this particular website. Now here on my screen right now, this is Syria Oil VIP, and this is one of the websites that somebody had actually sent to me to make a review on. And what I'm going to simply do first is to log into my account right here, because yes, I created an account. And on logging into my account, so let me show you guys. And on logging into my account right inside of here, you can basically see that it's actually making a couple of claims about, how you're going to be receiving 10 USDT every single day when you're able to sign up and you actually make a deposit, and then this and that. But then let us actually click on sure. We already know what to do. And coming over here, you can actually see more of like a step-by-step process on how you can actually get started. Now, one of the first things they basically do on a website like this is to make it look as legit as possible, and try to add in a couple of certificates or whatever business things that they believe that you most probably be looking for, to make sure that they are going to be looking very genuine to you guys out there. So here they have history of the company, they have ecological and environmental awareness, and most importantly for them, they're actually showing you how to buy USDT and how to make deposits here on the particular website. But coming down here, you can see the about us here, and scrolling down, you're going to see the different grades or VIP levels that have been added on this particular website, and the different claims on how much you need to recharge, how much you're going to be earning per every of the VIP level on a daily basis. And down you're going to be seeing this particular space where there's a link to actually promote, because yes, they make claims that when you actually share this particular link to other people who jump on the website, you are going to be getting a couple of commissions from all of their transactions on their website. And beyond this, when you come over here, you see that there are a couple of VIP levels here and the pricing for each VIP level, and you're going to be seeing how much you're going to be earning as a daily income here. Now, on my own personal review on this website, because I've tested them, I noticed that they usually would allow you to make your daily withdrawals and a couple of things until whenever they are trying to rug pull and just close down the website from the scheme that they have actually started. Now, with all of these VIP levels, their aim here is to actually make you to keep on depositing different amount of money, especially when you started from, let's say, VIP level 1 and you make a deposit of $22 to unlock, you get to upgrade with $34, you get to upgrade again with $82, and like that. And coming over here, you can actually see your team, the membership here of all of the people that you've referred to the program and all. And on this other page, one, they've actually made sure that there is an availability of a means to recharge your account inside of here via USDT. Two, they've also made sure that there's an availability for you to also make withdrawals. So for people who are just jumping on the website when it's just launched, you can actually make a couple of recharge and also withdrawals based on the tax that you'll be taking inside of this particular space. Now with this, what I'm basically expecting you to do right now is to go ahead and make a recharge, right? So it's either you're going to be recharging $22 here, or $34 here, or $82, on which after you've actually recharged, you can then unlock one VIP level. Now the VIP level you've actually unlocked will give you access to a couple of tasks, and you can actually make a couple of daily withdrawals based on the profits you're going to be making on that particular VIP level. And with all of these daily withdrawals you're actually going to be having, you can even get to accumulate the money that you actually used in recharging inside of here. But this is not for everybody, because the people who actually come after the first promotion or the first campaign are basically going to lose their money. Now, if you understand how Ponzi scheme works, basically it is where at the beginning, it's open and they allow everybody to come in and try to make the system trustworthy. And here they get to allow people to, make recharges, make a couple of withdrawals, and, make it very interesting for them to believe that yes, this particular space works and this particular website is actually a way for me to make money for myself. And to be honest, we are currently in a world where most of us are not really looking for genuine opportunities. In short, we want to make money fast. And if you actually jump on a particular opportunity that claims to want to help you to make money very fast, most people are going to most likely take it as quick as possible. And for those who actually jump on this particular website at the very first instance, they might actually get to make their money and even make much more money from that particular system. But how about those who get to jump on this website after the first promotion or the first campaign that they had? Now, this is even more riskier because these guys most likely would lose all of the money that they've been able to deposit inside of the system, because at this particular point, this particular website will actually be shut down for withdrawals and they won't be able to take out their money. Now, there are a couple of basic things that I'll most likely advise you to do, because I'm not a financial advisor, and to be very honest, I would not want to advise you on what to invest in and what not to invest in, especially when you're currently living in a world where people are most likely concerned about how to make fast money without putting in the work. And in this particular case, I always answer with one particular situation, which is you can't make any fast money. If you want to make fast money, then you really need to put in the work to make the fast money, unless you are looking out for a Ponzi scheme. And this is exactly what most people who ask questions like this don't even know that they're asking about. And in this particular case, my simple advice here is one, make sure that you are going to be one of the first people who jump on this website when they actually are launching, so that you are able to, make your money back or make a couple of withdrawals and profits if there might be any for you. And secondly, also understand that if you're going to be promoting this particular website, then it might actually be your fault that another person who gets to jump in on this website gets to lose their fund. And three, if you get to make any profit from websites like this one, then you should actually understand that your major focus should be to move away from the mindset of making quick money and start investing in other areas on the internet that will really bring you long-term money and are very, very legit. Now, this particular website here is one of them, and yes, I'm going to be leaving a link to this website in the description, so that those of you guys that are actually even looking at, okay, let me even see what this looks like, would actually see the website using the link I have in the description as well. And most importantly, make better decisions for yourself, whether you're jumping on this or not. Now, I understand where I may be getting a couple of hate comments because of me creating content like this one, but then I must also say that my aim here is actually to educate you and help you understand what you actually are asking for when you think of making fast money from the internet, and also help you to make better decisions for yourself, because when you actually are aware of what this website looks like, you'll be able to make better decisions here and there. Now, on this particular space, like I said, on this particular website, I actually did a recharge quite alright, but then I'm not going to be taking any further action because I've tried a couple of them with the same model in the past and they all work the same way. So it's going to be left for you right now to actually make more decisions on your own and see if this is worth your while. Definitely it might not be. Now, thank you so much guys for watching this particular video. I really hope this gave you a couple of more understanding about how this works, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With this guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace.